Welcome to the Car Comparos. Today we will be comparing the Tata Zest versus the Tata Bolt. Features and pricing. Overall, the Bolt is just 20,000 rupees cheaper than the identical variant of the Zest. Considering Zest comes with alloy wheels and dual tone dashboard from the XE variant, and the projector headlamps from the XM variant and the angel eyes from the XT variant. Automatic gearbox. Only the Zest comes with the option of the AMT gearbox without the creep functionality. That is, unlike Celerio AMTs, Zest does not start moving forward slowly when you take your foot off the brake pedal, which makes it slightly less convenient than other automatics but still more convenient than the other manuals. Boot space. Bolt's tiny little 200-liter excuse for a boot is not even adequate for carrying 5 people's luggage for a weekend trip. Zest's 350 liters, on the other hand, is just the right size. Space and comfort. Both cars have identical cabins with excellent space in all directions and flawed ergonomics in terms of high-set dashboard and squishy soft seat foam. At least in the Bolt, Tata should have judged the trade-off between the rear legroom and boot space, increasing boot volume to at least 250 liters. Drivability and performance. Bolt's 75 PS version of the Fiat's 1250cc diesel engine has noticeably lesser turbo lag than the 90 PS version, which is used in the Zest's XM and XT variants. Other than that, there is hardly any difference in terms of drivability or performance between the Bolt and the Zest. The petrols are absolutely identical. Fuel efficiency. ARAI certified mileage for the Bolt diesel is 22.95 km per liter, which is just 0.05 km per liter less than the Zest. But in actual testing, it was the Bolt which was fractionally more frugal than the Zest. The Bolt petrol has an ARAI certified mileage of 17.57 km per liter, which again is just 0.03 km per liter less than the Zest. There was no significant difference in our fuel efficiency tests either. Ride quality and handling. Both cars have excellent ride quality and decent ground clearance as well. The Bolt corners with slightly more enthusiasm than the Zest, but the difference is hardly noticeable. Reliability and after sales. It is pathetic and getting worse. And now for the verdict. Zest is far better value for money and more practical than the Bolt.